Hi, I'm Nathan from Rangerbuilt. I'm here with the new cavity switch unit, Australian made and owned. This is a pretty new product to the market to really address the issue of not being able to install a light switch or a power point on the same location as a cavity sliding door or a pocket door, which can often end up where that switch or power point is really in a not ideal location in that room. This unit here allows you to put that switch or power point on that panel, on that door, in the location you really want it. I'll open the product now, show you what it's all about. So here it is here. So this cavity sliding unit is designed to either use a vertical switch when it's installed this way, or you can of course use a horizontal switch depending on which way you fit it to that cavity sliding unit. Also, you'll find that depending on the size of the cavity slider door, you can cut it in various locations to suit that application. You also snap these out when you go to install. You snap the little infill out to suit. You'll find in the box as well with this product, you will get your installation instructions, of course, and your speed clips. So when you've chosen which position you are going to put that switch, you can clip your speed clips in, and it's very easy to install that light switch or power point into the unit. We're going to now show you the Rangerbuilt cavity unit in situ, show you what it looks like when it's actually being used, and we'll go from there. Thanks. I'm going to show you now in situ why the cavity switch unit is important, and it's a great new innovation in the Australian building environment. We've got a cavity sliding door here, and also just a power point for reference. So you can see there's a few issues here. Because of the space that is available, you have an issue where you've got power and you've got a moving door where you can't really safely install these together. The other issue is the door can easily be removed by the homeowner, by anyone really, for painting or maintenance, whatever it may be, and it leaves the exposed wires of the terminal behind here very accessible, and it's quite an unsafe situation. So to be able to avoid that, you're able to use that cavity switch unit, which I'll show you now, which I'm to run this cable through the cavity unit here and put it in place. You can see you've eliminated those hazards for any maintenance of the door in the future, but also it's a safe installation to be able to put that switch wherever you want it on that cavity slider in a safe manner.